In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the rear turn signal brake lights on a Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon. This should be exactly the same from about 2017 to 2022. This is a pretty easy process. I'll put a link in the description below how you can get the bulbs off Amazon, have them show up at your doorstep in just 2 to 3 days. Let's go ahead and get these changed out. In order to get access to the screws, we need to open up the tailgate. Now with the tailgate open, you'll see there's a top screw here and a bottom one. Now depending on the year, these might be Phillips head or Torx. Now if they're Phillips head screws, you're just going to use a normal Phillips screwdriver like this. If they're the Torx screws, you're going to use a T15. Whether you have the Phillips head or the Torx head, go ahead and remove both of these screws. Now with both of those screws out of the way, you're going to pull this lens straight back. Don't try to angle it one way or another. You may have to wiggle it a little bit. You can see how loose it is, but it's just going to come straight back. And now we have two bulbs. There's one right here, one right here. You can either change the one that's bad or go ahead and replace both of them. If one's going bad, the other one's not far behind. To remove the bulb, you're going to turn left or counterclockwise, about 1/4 of a turn, and pull straight out. Place the bulb, just pull straight, just kind of wiggle and pull. If you'll notice, I'm using latex gloves. It's because you don't want to touch these bulbs with your bare hands. You're going to get an oil or fingerprint on them, and then they're going to burn out prematurely. Let's go ahead and take your new bulb, stick it straight in until it snaps into place. Install the bulb back into the housing. So if you look at this, it's in kind of a straight line. This will be about at the 11 o'clock position. Rotate to the right, you'll hear it click and lock in place, and then this will be basically straight up and down. Go ahead and do the same thing to the bottom one. Now we've got our bulbs replaced. These two nubs are going to go inside these two holes. So you can kind of eyeball that, just line it up, push straight in. Now you're going to want to push in on the taillight lens, and then you can line up the hole and then start the screws by hand. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you want to go ahead and do the driver's side, it's the exact same procedure. I'd replace them all because once one bulb fails, the other one's not far behind. Kind of like a headlight. One goes out, the other one goes out 2 months later. Better off just replacing them all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't over tighten those screws, and thanks for watching.